Okay, so I'm back with another video. Nothing fancy this time, no special audio equipment, and there's a reason for that. This is purely as a question on my vlog, so this one's for you, Del. It's to do with the equipment I got. So we'll start off with the smallest thing, which is actually the selfie stick. Now, it does come with a remote, which is paired to the phone, paired to the camera. It stretches out. But not only that, it's also a tripod as well, which also comes in useful. It comes with a few attachments. That's for the phone, which may use, but unlikely I'll use it often, if ever. That's the charging cable for the remote, and a few other attachments. That's if I want to use the selfie stick with the phone, because it's a smaller connector and an extender. Okay, so then of course we've got the voice recorder, which is an OM system, which is Olympus basically, WS833. Not much more you can say about that. It's good quality, the recordings on there are good, as you've heard. And that's the second thing. Now I know, Del, you've already got one of these, so you wouldn't need it, but I think what you're really interested in is this. Now, this is the Lavalier mic system. It comes in a little pod like earbuds. Open it up and there they are. So we got two mics and the receiver. Now, the mics of course have the little fluffy caterpillars you've seen. There we go. Also got connector for standard 3.5 connectors. One for a phone, which has got the 4 sectors, and also USB-C for charging and data. So we can actually connect it up to a computer as an audio device. Now, to connect it up to this, I plug that into headphone, that into microphone, that into headphone, and they're connected together. Thank you, Woofy Dog next door. And that's the way to set it up. I've been messing about with the levels on everything, trying to get everything correct, and I think I've got it now. Mostly down low, because this is such a high quality thing, it picks up audio sound. It's got noise reduction on there, which is good. Now of course all the links here will be in the description, but that is a roundup of the equipment I'm using for future use. Not all the time of course, nothing's all the time. Take use of what I got, what we got with you. If I need a camera when I'm out, I'll use the camera when I'm out. If I got the GoPro with me, I'll use the GoPro. It's as simple as that. Take advantage of what you got, and hopefully it'll mean more video content. Now I just had to find something interesting to record. Cheers buddy, catch you in the next one. Ta-ra now.